Juliette, hello and bonjour and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Nomakenolife for the month of June, even though it's May. Let's get going. So the theme for this month is Rise and Shine, and I do get these quite early and I have not seen any sneak peeks, so I'm actually very curious about this month. Last month was pretty cool, it was Tokyo Glow, and let's dive in. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. It's weird because there's no kind of like papers to soften it, so you really feel the lumpiness of it. Oh my gosh, okay. I have seen something by this brand, Why Not? And it appears we have 3 items by that brand, so I'm just gonna take them out right away. Oh, I'm featured on the back of the booklet this month. Yay! So if you haven't, check it out, holla at Slavic Chic. That's me, that's me, that's me. Have the same hair today. All right, so there were 4 options for this one. This is the Spins 3 color eyeshadow, and it's a 3-color compact. Now, the other ones were a lot more neutral. I got the kind of, if I can do it with the lighting, brightest one. This is a shimmery lavender that's a kind of light baby pink, and this is more of a hot pink. It's very reminiscent of this one that I got in the March box. The purple is quite similar, actually, if not the exact same, and the packaging looks almost identical. I don't get it. Like, that's one thing with Asian makeup, Asian eyeshadow. I find that their kind of palettes, from what I've seen so far in any case, don't really look so cool like in North America or Europe. Like this looks, especially this looks like kids makeup. This looks like something you get at Claire's. This just looks like child's makeup to me. Listen, I love getting eyeshadows and palettes and this and that. These colors, first of all, already have a ton of similar stuff, and just the packaging is doing nothing for me. Like, this looks cheap to me, and maybe it's good quality. Even this one, I tried it out and I opened it, but at the end of the day, they don't last super long. So especially having this already with similar enough colors, I'm gonna gift this to someone if they want it. I don't even feel comfortable gifting it, if that makes sense. Like, this looks like, Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Very cool to get. I'm excited by the idea of getting more eyeshadow, but this one is just a bit of a womp for me, and I just don't want to swatch it for the sake of the video and then never use it again. So this will be a gift to someone. All right, next, let's take out another item by this brand. So again, it's Spins, and this is the liquid liner, and it looks like there was only 1 color, but in the booklet it looks, no, it says dark brown. Yeah, so this I'm actually gonna open and curious about. I like eyeliner, especially liquid liner. I'm very particular with mine. My favorites are Tattoo Liner by KVD and Epic Ink by NYX. Oh, I like the packaging. It's a very soft matte packaging. Okay, oh, very precise. Oh, listen. That looks really good. Really bleeping cool. I am very happy with this. This seems freaking amazing. Like, I love this. I love it. Next, I'm gonna take the last Spins product, and here we have 2-color Cheek Rose Spins Blush. So, again, we have 3 options. Honestly, I'm for blush in particular, not too fussed about the packaging. e.l.f. has had something similar, and it's been really nice. Again, I'm at that point, you would have seen it in like my other videos I mentioned, where I already have so much stuff that for me to open this, to maybe try it once or swatch it, it seems like a waste. But I feel like I'm also gonna gift this to somebody who would get more use out of it. I would just feel guilty opening it and then maybe probably not using it. Although it is a bit more of a unique color story. But also, you know, when it's half and half, I'd like to go in with a big blush brush, and I can't really do that here. So these 2 for me currently are gonna be gifts, although following the eyeliner, I'm quite tempted to try them. So I'll think about it. Next, I'm going to, you know what, I'm gonna take out these 2 guys. So we always get a face mask in every single box. How many products are in this box? Oh, we got the full 8 today, that's awesome. So these are the same, but one is for day and one is for night. So we got the Dr. Dermal Daytime Sheet Mask and Nighttime Sheet Mask. Which one's the daytime? Aha, I was right. Yes, so this is the daytime, this is the nighttime. So obviously 2 separate products. And yeah, 15 minutes, there's a crap ton of really cool ingredients in here. I love a face mask. I'm running low on them, so I'm actually happy to have gotten 2 this month, even though often I'm like, one's enough. Good. And they're both face masks, not just, you know, eye patches or point packs. But these honestly, they look really cool. I mean, you can never really tell too much with the packaging, but they seem really awesome and not much to say there. All right, a few more items to go. I'm gonna take out this giant one and it looks so cute. It says Perfect Whip on it. I know these little characters. Rilakkuma. I'm just gonna be quiet. Rilakkuma. There we go. I wasn't too far off. I know it started with an R. Rilakkuma at times Senka Perfect Whipped Face Wash. Start your morning with Rilakkuma and Friends. Limited foam facing wash is suitable for all skin types. That's awesome. This is a big size. I was actually running out of cleansers, so they kind of guessed right. I really like the packaging. Oh, it smells so good. It just smells super, it does come out very whip-like. Oh, jeez. It just smells like that perfect balance of clean and fresh, but not overbearing or anything, you know? Oh, it's just lovely. It's just lovely. I'm really happy with that. I usually am kind of, it's weird. It maybe depends on mood, maybe I'm growing, but I'm not often one to be like, oh yeah, like I love cleanser. I'm kind of like that, like with shampoo, but quite excited for this one, so good timing there. Last two items, and I'm so excited because this box, it's the first box I've had that, it's majority makeup. Only 2 of the items are not makeup. And the rest, no, 3, but then the rest are, so that's a lot. So we have 2. I'm gonna start with the mascara because I haven't had an Asian mascara before and I'm so excited. This is a Korean brand and this is Dodo Volume Fantasy Mascara. Mascara in a tube? Yeah, we're intrigued too. It's such cute little packaging and I really like tubes for mascara. I don't know why. I also have a lot of mascara at the moment, like spare ones, and I'm trying to go through them, but I don't like having 5 open at a time because then it's just wasted. But I'm super stoked to try them. I'm 100% keeping this one because I'm so curious. So I'm gonna open it. It's so like groovy Austin Powers type of packaging. And what does the brush look like? This is the real test. Oh, okay. It's a little bit curved. And it is more natural bristles. I don't know why I always do this. I always try to put mascara on my hand, but cool. Yeah, I'm just excited to try an Asian mascara. Have I ever? I don't think I ever have. This is so unique to me. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Yes. And last but certainly not least, and this, even though it's the 8th item, is technically 8th and 9th because there are 2 products inside. Yes, my friends, 2. So this is the Kire Factory Lipstick Duo. We get 2 lipsticks, full size. Want that perfect custom lip color? Kire Factory brings you a set of 2 lipsticks that are designed to work together. Either use color individually or layer them to create 5+ color combinations. All right. I've had like lip tints so far in the box, but I don't think I've had a lipstick before. And these are the 2 colors I get. Honestly, I don't know why I have a thing for orange, but I'm more excited about this one. Oh yeah, so it's either 1, 2, 1 and 2 mixed together, 2 and 1 mixed the other way, or something. But it has the little picture here of how you can mix these colors to get 5 different shades, which is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So this first one is a bit more of a rose. Oh, it's almost like a brown nude. You know when you have a new lipstick, I don't even want to touch it. Okay. Oh my God, that's so pigmented. This is so creamy. That is like a full-on warm chocolate brown moment. Doesn't smell. And the orange. I mean, this could almost borderline look like baby poop orange. Do you know what I'm talking about? But I'm really excited. It's very pumpkin-y. Oh, this one's very sheer in comparison. All right, so that's where maybe the color combinations come from. But that one's super sheer. And then I guess we'll try them just on my hand if you mix them together. Well, there's a 3rd color. And then there's 2 more options, but I'm not gonna get into it. I actually really like that one when they mix together. Wow, that's so cool. 2 lipsticks together. Oh my gosh. Let's dive into my final thoughts. All right, so what do we think of June? Honestly, I kind of freaking love it. I don't know what I was expecting or wasn't expecting, but I think I just feel with like some of my other subscription boxes, I'm at a point where it's like, what's new, right? And that happens when you have a few subscriptions, when you've been doing this for a while. But they really kind of surprised me this month, because last month for me was a bit like, it was nice, but meh. But oh my gosh, and to get so much makeup in a Nomakenolife box, that doesn't usually happen. It's maybe 1 or 2 items, and here we get 5, technically 6. I'm honestly blown away. My favorites are probably absolutely the eyeliner. Like, it's so precise and I love it in brown. I think for summer, especially as a blonde, brown really makes it look a bit more natural, but still like there, you know, black can be quite intense depending on the looks. I don't know. I don't want to be rude. I'm afraid that I won't properly use the eyeshadow and blush if I open it. And so I'm making the call to set that to the side and give as a gift. But they really, if they're the same quality as the eyeliner, they must be amazing. I'm just going off of the last eyeshadow palette I had, but it's a different brand, so it's not fair to judge, but I think I'm just gonna make that call and gift those two. Really happy with this. It's just the cutest packaging, and I really kind of needed a new cleanser, so it's perfect timing. Ecstatic to try a new mascara, especially from countries and places that I've never been. Like, I'm very curious as to how their formula works. The sheets, awesome. Happy to have 2 this month. They really hit the nail on the head. And this, probably other than the eyeliner, I'm so amazed at this. And to get 2 full lipsticks, and yeah, the color combinations, like, that seems so freaking fun to me. Do you know? You know? I don't know. Supposedly we can get a fairly pink one, but anyways, yeah, wow. I'm really amazed. This is an incredible box. If you're not subscribed yet, why? Yes, it's a bit expensive, but you get so many more items per box than other brands, and it gets shipped to you immediately. Today is what, May 22nd, and I have the June box, like, perfection. And then there's always varying options within each item as well, so you know, it's not like every single person gets the exact same thing, and I just think that's so well. If you ever want to sponsor me, a partner, let me know. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this box. I think it's so good, and I'm just so happy to have it. It's made my day. So yeah. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm still new and growing, and I have some very exciting content coming up. It's almost my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, which is nuts. The amount of videos I've made, takes a long time, but I am excited to be releasing some kind of new and different content very soon, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!